Assalamu alaikum, I'm Aisha and you're watching Samaa News. Here are today's headlines. Interior Minister Mohsin Naqvi has confirmed that an LPG tanker with 24 Pakistanis on board was attacked by an Israeli drone at Yemen's Ras Isa port earlier this month. The strike caused an explosion and fire, but the crew survived. The vessel was later seized by Houthi rebels, who have now released the tanker and its crew, allowing them to sail safely out of Yemeni waters. Security forces have neutralised 17 Taliban fighters during a raid on a militant hideout in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The clash left 3 officers wounded. The incident comes just 2 days after a similar operation in Dera Ismail Khan, where 13 militants were gunned down, as Pakistan intensifies action against the resurgent TTP. Germany has sounded the alarm over a high threat from drones, with Interior Minister Alexander Dobrindt saying Berlin will revise aviation laws to let the armed forces shoot down drones if needed. The move comes after repeated drone incursions disrupted air traffic in Denmark and sparked fresh security concerns across Europe. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said that the US is ready to invest in Pakistan's IT, agriculture, minerals and energy sectors. After meeting President Trump, he calls it a milestone, with both sides agreeing on fair mineral pricing and boosting business ties. Russia has attacked Ukraine with 115 drones overnight. Ukrainian officials claim that 97 of the drones were neutralized in various locations on the north, south, east and central Ukraine. According to the Ukrainian Air Force, at least 17 locations were hit by drones. Newly released US congressional documents have reignited controversy over Jeffrey Epstein's vast network. The files mention Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, Steve Bannon and Prince Andrew in Epstein's schedules and records from 2010 to 2019. While no wrongdoing is alleged, the revelations raise fresh questions about the disgraced financier's connections long after his 2008 conviction. Iran has recalled its ambassadors from Britain, France and Germany after the 3 countries moved to reinstate UN sanctions on Tehran, a step Iran calls irresponsible. Oscar-winning actress Jennifer Lawrence has expressed deep concern over the situation in Gaza, calling it no less than a genocide. Speaking at the San Sebastian Film Festival in Spain, Lawrence said she's terrified and mortified. What's happening is unacceptable. I'm terrified for my children, for all of our children. That's all for now. For more updates, visit www.samaa.tv. Thank you for watching Samaa News.